Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna take you through how to download SmartThings app on your device. So first thing, you need to simply go to your app store, or if you are an Android user you can simply go to your Play Store and download it. So first thing, you need to go to your app store. After clicking on App Store, this is the very first home page of your App Store, and in the very bottom right there is the option called search, and after clicking on the search you can simply, so after that various option will get various option are arrived here. So but you need to select this SmartThings, which is highlighted in color blue, and you need to get this. After clicking on get, your SmartThings app will be downloaded very soon on your device. So this is how you can download SmartThings app on your device. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you.